What's going on, guys? It's been a while since we've done a product review video. We're really not going to be doing a whole lot of those anymore, but I've been using these for the last couple months. These are by BC Innovations. These are antler mounts, 3D printed. They have several different sizes. Hold on, I'm trying to get this out. They have these nifty little plugs. They have a couple different angles of mounts. These are great for like doing European mounts or sheds that you find. They just plug right in. You can switch them up, change the direction. But let's take a close look at these. All right, first we have this mount. It's the half skull. They have a right facing and a left facing. Mounts flush up against the wall. I'll show you that real quick. They have the hook on the back. Now these work with any set of antlers you have. They come with these really nice plugs that fit nice and snug with these O-rings. Now you can change these antlers out at any time. You just screw it in a little bit, pop it in, set it up to the way you want. This looks great hanging on the wall. Next, we have a quarter turn skull. Show you that one real quick. Same setup. All these are the same. They have different colors. This one is like a bleached white. They have a natural white. They have unique color ones, and the plugs come with that. I'll show you the site. But you can take any size antler that you have one of those plugs on there. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful mount, just like that. This one and this one's probably my favorite ones because they're just real unique. They have a full skull here as well. This is not a matching, I don't have a matching set to this one. These are sheds that I found. So I kind of just threw it on there real quick. They're reasonably priced. We're going to check out the website and let's show you a little bit more. Backcountry Innovations is what BCI stands for. We got a lot of great products here. There's the antler adapters. Show you the whole. Here's how-to videos. They have different colors. They also match the color of the skulls to the plugs. You can spin them, rotate them. They got the new half skulls, the flush, and the quarter turn is what I'm calling it. Left and right side. Bleach white and natural bone are your two normal choices, but here you can get custom colors. Not really custom, yeah, I guess custom colors. Stone marble's cool. I like the matte black, rusty iron, hot pink. The burnt titanium's pretty cool looking. But as it says up here, these are a 14-day. Allow 14 days to ship. I believe there's discounts on if you buy bulk. These are cool as well, the magnetic arrows, magnetic arrow puller grenades. I have one of these as well. I'll be showing you guys those. Go back up here to the top, to the shop. Now if you're interested in picking up some of these, I'll have a link down in the description and take you right over there to their website. Hook yourself up. They have a lot of great products, like I said, different colors, different styles, different angles. So make sure you head over, pick yourself up one. Now's the time. Hunting season is coming up real quick, so head over, pick one up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.